Welcome to another Metters Musings video. Today I'm going to try to install the Invisible Shield by Zagg onto my new iPhone 4S. As you can see, I do have the white version. I've never used Invisible Shield before. I've always gone with Rapsol, but they had Invisible Shield at Best Buy, so I decided to pick that up. If I had gone with Rapsol, I'd have to wait maybe a week, 2 weeks to get it here in Canada. So I'm going to attempt to install this right now. I still got the plastic wrap on this, so we're going to take that off. Now the instructions say to try to do the back first. Since I've never used this, that's exactly what I'm going to do. Use some compressed air here, just make sure the back is all clean. Now what it says is to take the solution, spray a little bit on my hands. Just like that. Alright, so let's take the back piece. It says to peel it back. And already I'm failing at this. I can't seem to peel it back. There we go. Finally got a corner. Alright. So that's the adhesive side. Again, the instructions say to give it a little spray just to get it wet. Now we're going to attempt to put this on and line it up. And there we go. That actually went on fairly easy. Not too bad. All right. Well, let's try the front. There we go. That actually wasn't too bad at all. So there you can see the top of the front-facing camera. Everything seems to be well exposed. There should be no problems with that. Taking a look at the home button, you can see it's not centered perfectly, but it shouldn't affect the use of the home button whatsoever. On the back, as you can see, the camera, fine. The flash right there. It is close, but it isn't covering it at all, so that should be fine as well. So that's a wrap. The Zagg Invisible Shield. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe. I'll have some more videos coming up soon. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.